Mark, did you say you're starting in 1 sec?
Good morning. It is a
Am I recording?
it's a beautiful day here in Chicago. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing great. We had some more snow. Doesn't get any better than that. So, reminder, big event coming up on Saturday. Option trading for stock traders. Learn, maybe never buy a stock again. Maybe you will. I mean, who's to say? But I'm just saying you might never. I'm not saying you will never. I mean, if somebody says, hey, buy this stock, or I'm going to break your left leg, buy the stock by all means. But other than that, maybe you won't. That's all we're saying. Go to options.com/events, and it's just $97. So good way to spend 3 hours. If you are an Option Pit Live subscriber, if you have the gold course, something along those lines, then this is a free and included. So it is quite the deal. No, I got it. So let's talk the markets. Well, we opened up pretty flat, and things have kind of deteriorated as has been kind of the pattern, right? A flat open basically guarantees a down day. All right, that's kind of the way you should be looking at the market. We've got the VIX touching on 20. Now it's up 2.3. Now recall that a point of that is probably weekend effect. So volatility is up. Dow's down triple digits. S&P's down 16 and change. VIX futures are moving, right? We got the Jan future above the Feb, above the March. All right, and the S&P, while certainly selling off, has not been, it hasn't been the as crazy as maybe you might expect. What I'm saying is, for all that could go wrong, off this, and this is a nice crazy pattern. This is a, we're still not healthy pattern, all right? But I don't think you're going to see some people dumping things 40 points or 50 points. We had a massive two-day rally on Wednesday and Thursday. If we get a couple ugly days, we'll probably get the same thing. The 100-day moving average is right around 2,000. It's like 2004. Watch that as a key level if we do continue to sell off. Watch VIX. It's had this pattern of getting bid into the open, selling off into the close, and then the market kind of with it, and that's been the pattern we've seen. But like I said, VIX futures are moving, and they're moving pretty nicely. So, that's kind of the way I view the world. Apple, which had been strong, is weakening this week. We do have a lot of earnings coming up, right? We've got earnings out of financials, earnings out of tech are kind of next week, but a lot of the financials and Alcoa and some of the older school names are this week. We get some of the techie names next week. I do believe Google might be at the end of the week, though. And so, no, Google is going to be next, is not for a couple of weeks. So, we've got a long earnings season set up. People, generally, the market does not net do much off of earnings season. The only thing I'm seeing is, like I said, we are down almost 1%. The market is off, and volatility is rallying. So, this is not, this may be one of those get out of the way for a little while, and then maybe wait for VIX to come in, and then maybe look to get long. I think you probably missed the easy, on the day, the easy part of the sell-off is probably over, and the hard part, and then now it's just kind of kicking back and seeing where do we find a floor and where do we rally to. Who knows? This could be the rallying point for all we know. We could ease off, but that's kind of the pattern I'm seeing. I don't think this is one of those 40-point days. I think maybe we're back that, but we could just have an ugly 1.5, 1% move lower for, a few days in a row before we catch a bid. I think we'll probably be off again today, on the day, and then maybe tomorrow, and then we'll catch a bid Wednesday, as kind of been the pattern. All right, folks, on that note, again, option for stock traders on Saturday. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionprotect.com. You can call me, 888-TRADE-01. I'll be back.